What's up, guys? It's Technology Freak 1000 or Technology Freak, and today I got something cool to review. It is a new phone that I have. Yes, I got a new phone, and I might do videos using this phone, but why don't we just start with a little bit of a review while while we're at it. So,
Microphone. Pause recording.
I'm going to pause the recording if needed. Let's get started. I'm not going to make any transitions because I'm not that advanced. But, here we go. We got the port selection, which there's only one port. And that is, if you pull this little thing down, I got a cool case on it. And it's got a winding port. Pretty cool. That's it. The odd button, as they call it now, is what you use to get Siri or maybe even turn it on and off. In fact, the way you turn it off is interesting, and I'll show you what it does a little later. On the left, well, that's a little bit, about an inch and a half from the top, about. On the left side, there are two volume buttons right next to the mute switch, or right under the mute switch. It goes up and down. Yep, I felt that. It goes up and down. It has two volume switches. When it has two volume buttons, one goes up, one goes down. And there's either a microphone on the left or a speaker on the right. I don't know which one is which. Probably the speaker is on the left. I don't know. Kind of weird, but hey, cool. On the top right are two camera lenses. This is pretty cool because you can actually, it looks like you can take two photos at the same time, but not really. You can take one photo, but with probably two lenses. I don't know that for sure, but let's boot this up and see what we can do with it. Oh, and by the way, what comes in the box is not very much. You basically get a charger cord that usually is a USB, but now it's USB-C. And that's all you get. Anything extra? Well, you're just going to have to get it on your own. Like a charging brick and the headphones. Yep, Apple is skimping out on headphones and charger bricks. Well, I get to sort of save money, so let's boot it up and find out. I'm seeing the light for the Apple logo. You can tell. Now, I'm gonna mute.
Screen curtain on.
I'm gonna mute. And then I'm gonna enter the passcode, and then I'll be right back.
Calendar, FaceTime. Double tap to open.
Alright. We're in. I just had to enter the passcode. We're in now. So, to navigate the screen, you just swipe with one finger to the right or left. Simple.
Calendar, Saturday, July 31st. Photos. Camera. Double tap to open.
You can tell it's got a pretty good sound quality.
Mail, 47 unread emails.
47 unread. I wonder what emails there are. Oh well, I'll find out.
Clock, 10:50 p.m.
It's
Double tap to open.
10:50, almost 11 o'clock p.m.
Maps. Double tap to open.
Maps.
Alert. Transitory.
Okay, would you please? Probably gonna get a YouTube notification. Actually, no, I'm not.
Weather. Double tap to open.
Weather. Hello, weather.
Reminders. Double tap to open.
Reminders. That's your reminders app, of course.
Notes.
Notes.
Double tap to open.
Where you can write all the notes you want.
Stocks. Double
Stocks.
tap to open news. Double tap
News.
books.
Books.
Double tap App Store.
App
Double
Store.
tap podcasts.
Podcasts.
Double tap TV.
TV.
Double health. Double tap to
Health.
open home.
Health.
Double tap to open
Home.
wallet. Home health TV.
TV.
Double health.
Health.
Home. Wallet.
Wallet.
Settings.
And settings.
Double tap to open.
And after that, there's the page chooser.
Page 1 of 2. Adjustable.
Page 1 of 2.
Adjust value down or scroll left to show today view. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
Be quiet voiceover.
Value.
Now I can turn off voiceover by pressing the side button 3 times, identical to pressing the home button 3 times on an older iPhone, such as the iPhone SE2 and below. What I mean by below is iPhone SE2, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone SE, first gen iPhone 5S. Well, you get the drill. I'm gonna turn it off right now and then turn it back on.
Screen 10:52 p.m. Try again.
Oh, Face ID.
10:52 p. Try again. 10:52 p.m.
Come on, Face ID.
10:52 p.m. 10:52 p.m. 10:52 p.m. Passcode field 0 of 4 values entered. Secure text field.
You have to enter
Double
it
tap to
again.
edit.
I'll be right back.
Pause.
Alright, we're back.
Calendar Saturday, July 31st. Double tap to open.
So, like I said, I'm gonna do this,
Voiceover off.
and it's off.
Voiceover on. FaceTime.
It's
Double
off.
tap to open. Screen curtain on.
Alright, now to go through the settings. Now, this is gonna be difficult
Page 1 of 2.
because
Adjustable.
there's
Adjust
some
value down
personal
or scroll left
stuff.
to show today view. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
There's gonna be some personal stuff in here that I do not want leaked out, so we're gonna try our best to try and stop it.
Settings. Double tap to
So settings.
settings.
First thing that comes up is
Search. Search field. Dictate. Beyond airplane mode off. Double tap to toggle setting.
first thing that comes up is your Apple ID, airplane mode,
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Bluetooth on button.
Bluetooth is on,
Cellular button. Notifications button.
cellular, notifications,
Sounds and haptics button.
sounds and haptics. Let's go into here real quick.
Sound volume 100% adjustable. Swipe up or down with one change with buttons on. The volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted. Change sound volume 100% adjustable. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value. Ringer and alerts heading.
Alright, there we go.
Sound change with buttons on. Double tap to
And
toggle setting.
that also means that the ringtone is actually the reflection as seen on the iPhone 10 and above. What I mean by that is iPhone 10, the iPhone 10 series, the iPhone 11 series, and the iPhone 12 series, and the upcoming iPhone 13 series. You kind of get the drill.
The volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume buttons.
Just that.
Sounds and ringtone, reflect, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, none, sent mail, swoosh, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, airdrop, pulse, keyboard clicks, on, live sound, on, system haptics, on, play haptics for system control, change with buttons, on, settings, back button, settings, sounds and haptics, do not disturb, button,
Do not disturb.
screen time, button,
Screen time. Just another warning. This phone has 64 gigabytes of storage and is the base model of the phone. They don't give out 32 gigabyte iPhones anymore. They haven't done that since, I believe, the iPhone 7 and iPhone SE.
general, button, control center, button, display and brightness, home screen, button, accessibility, button,
Accessibility. What? I'm just gonna tell you what's in here real quick. I'm just gonna tell you about it. So what's inside here is there's a little known thing called voiceover recognition, and I'm gonna show you in a bit that the voiceover recognition is not the best, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna do is do the gesture that gets to the app switcher.
app switcher, settings, active,
And I'm going to
Swipe up with three fingers to close the app.
three
Actions
fingers
available.
to close the app.
app switcher, Skype,
And I'm going to close Skype since I've had that open.
Closing Skype.
Alright,
Page 1 of 2. Adjustable.
page 1 of
Adjust
2.
value down or scroll left. Page 2 of 2.
Page 2 of 2.
Disney Plus. Double tap to
I
open.
have Disney Plus, but I haven't got it set up quite yet.
Wikipedia. Double tap to
Wikipedia,
open. Fitness. Double tap to
Fitness,
open. Skype. 1 new item.
Skype.
Double tap to open.
Skype is a Microsoft app.
Prime Video.
Prime
Double tap to
Video.
open. Social networking folder. 4 apps. 9 new items. Double tap to
And
open.
in my social networking folder is YouTube, which is a Google app. And there's the only YouTube app, I think.
Games folder. 2 apps. Double
Games,
tap to open.
there's 2 of them. There's the Map Shift and iMimic Games, which I tried to use voiceover with.
iMovie. Double tap to open.
iMovie, these are default apps.
Game. Social Prime. Skype. Fitness. Wikipedia. Disney Plus. Page 2 of 2. Adjustable.
Swipe up
Swipe
one
up or
more
down with one
time
finger to adjust the value.
with voiceover, and
Showing app library. Social. Messages.
there is the library, app library, like in Android.
App switcher has no items. Files. Double tap to open.
Alright, let's check it.
iTunes Store. Double tap to open. ATT 7 FE's 56% battery power. Not charging. Status bar item. Swipe down. Speech off. Speech 56% battery power. Status bar item. Speech off. Speech on.
Ignore that.
ATT
What
cellular
time?
2 of 4 bars. Signal track 10:58 p.m. Status bar item
10:58.
10:58 p.m. Social Prime Video. Double tap to open.
Ignore that. I didn't really know that was there. So, we're going to do a couple of things here. Remember how I said that you have to power it off in a different way? Well, I'm going to show you here in just a sec. Right after I try and demonstrate Face ID.
Screen 10:58 p.m. Try again. Screen curtain off. 10:59 p.m. 10:59 p.m. Try again. 10:59 p.m.
There we go.
Files. Double tap to open.
And now, I'm going to show you the power thing. So you hold down both the side and the volume up buttons. No,
Screenshot button.
not a screenshot.
Screenshot button. Done. Undo. Dim. Redo. Undo. Dim.
Undo.
Button. Undo. Dim. Redo. Delete. Button. Delete. Alert. Are you sure you want to delete the screenshot? Cancel. Cancel. Delete screenshot.
And delete the
Files.
screenshot.
Double tap to open.
And then I'm going to actually just
Slide to power off.
Alright, so let's show you what's in this menu. So we got slide to power off.
Medical ID. Reminders.
Medical
Slide to power
ID.
off. Slide to power off. Notification. Dismiss. More. Dismiss. Button.
Wait a second.
Remind. Man. Take. Settings. Take. Set. Mark. Remind. Mark. Remind. Mark has completed. Button. Call. Slide to power. Slide to power off.
Slide to power off.
Medical ID.
Medical ID. This will take you into your medical ID.
Emergency SOS.
Emergency SOS. You don't want to do that either.
Cancel. Button.
And you can cancel.
Medic. Slide to power off. Slide to power off.
I'm going to slide to power off. And it's off. That's amazing. It's amazing what you can do. Just ignore that. Not even an incidental Wi-Fi leak. That isn't even my Wi-Fi. It's just Wi-Fi that I just happen to be. I'm somewhere where the I'm not really welcome. Okay, I'm not really welcomed at this place.
Pause recording. Stop.
So I'm done here. If you guys liked this review, Please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. See ya, peeps. Later.